kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about my favorite products that I received in the mail from May. I know it's a little late, but I procrastinated a little bit and now I wanted to go through my favorite products because I'm so obsessed with all of them. I just had to share them. I think I'm going to start with skincare products first. So the first product that I'm literally obsessed with, I've been using it every single day, pretty much since I opened the package, and that's Lancome's Absolu Rich Cream. And there's a rose on the top, not sure if you guys can see that, but that is because it smells like rose. It is so creamy. You just put it on your fingers and rub it in and it just like melts. It makes your skin feel so good. It's like a serum and a moisturizer combined. I'm not sure if you guys have heard me talk about 2 teaspoons yet, but I've been using their face masks a ton. I just am in love with them. The ingredients are simple. And so this one, it says it's called 2 teaspoons because 1 teaspoon of banana, 1 teaspoon of honey. And it hydrates, it helps kill bacteria in your pores. Kind of just does everything, and that's why I love it. The last face product that I'm going to be telling you guys about today is from Buxom Cosmetics, and it's their new Boy Babe launch. And these are lip glosses. They're sparkly and amazing, and they're made by some amazing boy babes, and that's why it's called Buxom Boy Babes. It's for Pride, and they created their own colors, and it's a limited time edition too. My favorite is, let's see, this one's Samuel, and it's like this perfect pink color. And then my other favorite is Zachary. It's a really great like 90s gold, and I just love this. I couldn't wait to tell you guys about this one, so I'm just gonna tell you about my favorite. I was gonna save it to the last one, but this has been life-changing. I've never really liked using tan lotions. First off, they look fake. Second, they smell gross. And I just haven't found one that really works well with my skin. But I got sent this Tan Luxe for the body. And the reason why these are so amazing is you mix them with your own moisturizer. So whatever you use on your body at home, you just put a couple drops in per body part. So I'll do 3 to 4 drops per leg, and then maybe 2 on my arms, things like that. And then if you want more color, you just add more drops. And they don't stink. You get this really natural color, no streaking. I am obsessed. And I think they actually make one specifically for your face. I haven't used it on my face yet, but I heard a couple other girls just put it in their face moisturizer. But this is a godsend, and I will be using it all summer long on trips I go on. This is definitely gonna run out very fast. Now moving on to the last products I'm going to be talking about, and they were sent to me from Playa or however you say it, and they're hair products. What I really love about these products is that they're really great for beachy natural waves, and that's what I love. I love like the undone look, the perfectly undone look. It's just very French, and I just like it. And these products will help you create that look like every single time. The Endless Summer Spray is probably what I've been using the most. And it's a California sea salt beta carotene spray. So it gives your hair just like an undone beachy wave. This is the Ritual Hair Oil. This is also really great and has UV protection. So you can put it on the ends of your hair if you want it to look a little bit more put together, if you don't want your split ends to show. It's also just really, really great for your hair to give it that smooth shine. And if you're mixing these two together, it's also amazing because sometimes when you want to leave your hair natural, wavy, or you want to like scrunch it up, it gets frizzy. So the hair oil will help protect against frizz and keep your hair smooth all day long. Well, that was kind of all I had for my favorites from May. If you guys have any questions about the products, let me know. I will be putting all of the links in the section below so you guys can check that out too. Yeah, I can't wait to share with you guys what my favorites are for June, and stay tuned because I will be doing this every single month with my favorite products that I get in the mail. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you should do that. And that's kind of all I have. So I hope you guys enjoy a nice, beautiful summer day.